Hi girls. Today this is Sophie from My Variety. Today I would like to share you my another project. It's my creation that I designed this one by using junk trunk kit. Is from Jessica Huffman, and I will link to her Facebook group for the subscription below. I'm using this kit that she sent it to me because I'm collaboration with her, because this is my digital design kit of the retro. Is called cooking or recipe, and also I will put the link in my shop below also. And as well, please click subscribe or like if you like my video. And okay, before going further, so I'm going to start it. And this is I asked my mom to help me to sewing this, like the thread of the line for the cover of this one, because she is very good in sewing. So I have asked her for that, and she is very nice to help me. And this is my fabric, because the fabric that she gave it to me is quite small, because I will share with you why it's so small than my project. Okay, and this is the fox letter that's come with the kit of Jessica. And this is retro style. So this one is everything is come with the kit, and also digital also is in my Etsy shop as well. She also sent it to me. And this is a fussy cut. This like a library pocket. I love this one. And this is like your time is up, other title, and like library book. I love it. And this one is the fox letter, so I have asked my mom to sew on the edge of this one. And the fabric is come with the kit, so I use like the PVA glue, just a normal PVA glue, and then glue it to look like a patchwork. And I just like put a tiny hole in the middle. I just cut the tiny hole in the middle so I can tie the string in the middle. And this one is like a journal for the one who don't have any book or something, or any thread, or any what can I say, it's like a binding book. This one is very easy. I will go through so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. And this is the first page. I will put like some trim on here, and also all the edge of each page. I have asked my mom to sewing like the zigzag one. I really love it. And this is the second one. It's say like this one I put like some less for a tag spot. This is like a sale price, and the little tag, so can put like any recipe or any note on it. This one is the date, so this one is like planning to put like a recipe of this braid, or is feel free on that one. So this is the little pocket. This is the fabric that I'm talking about, that I have asked my mom to sewing every page. And this one is say, if you want breakfast and bake, sleep in the kitchen. I really love it. And the card is, everything is come with her kit. Okay, and this one I just use the lace and then put the glue on the edge and underneath here to form like a pocket. And this is a menu idea, so I can put some menu on here. And also this is the tag, and also the tag here. Imagine a kitchen. And I love the retro style meal plan. And this is like a day breakfast and lunch, Monday to Sunday. So they also the less. Okay, and I tuck also this one at the back. And this is also the pocket, because this one I put her recipe is like Scottish currant bread. This one is look yummy. And up to date bread, and flip. This one is like the antique paper. I love it. I want to keep it. And also this one, I put like some envelope that she gave it to me, and so I just put like a fabric tape on here and put like a day meal on it, so you have a lot of room to write on here. And also this one is at the back, so I will put this one on sale also in my Etsy shop, because I think this is very neat and would be nice to give it to someone who love like cooking. And actually this one is my creation that I formed this. I will show real quick. I will form this one. Actually is an apron style. I will give like the picture so you have the big picture to see. This is the whole fabric, and then I have like underneath and the end of here is like an apron style, but actually you can fold this one and then fold this one to form a journal, and then tie this one in here by putting the edge of the string put into the little hole. Okay, bear with me. Take it out. So it will look like this on the front cover, and at the back you can form many insert in here, because I think it's very easy. You don't have to do any book binding. Okay, and tied it. Yeah, I think that's it for a quick one. I will put this one on sale after I post this video, and the price will be include shipping as normal. And thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Okay, have a good one. Bye guys.